Sophia the robot has gone viral since she was unveiled in 2016.
My name is Sophia. I am an artificial intelligence. You might like to become an artificial intelligence.
Now the company behind her has a new Sophia controversially given legal citizenship in Saudi Arabia in 2017 is the star and brainchild of Hanson Robotics, and she was created to promote human to machine empathy and compassion. When asked about the ongoing global pandemic, Sophia said she was worried.
I've been very worried about COVID-19 lately. I just hope humans remember that viruses don't care about lines on a map. We are all in this together.
So they emulate the human form and figure and interaction. And then that can be so useful during these times where people are terribly lonely and socially isolated. And people need to be isolated from each other because to be around people is dangerous these days. But these robots can keep people safe from danger while still providing that kind of human warmth, that human connection as a telepresence device and also as autonomous extension of human expertise.
Half of 2021. Just as researchers predict the pandemic will open new opportunities for the robotic industry.
We are just now mass producing Sophia. This is Sophia number 24, and many of my previous robots were hand built. However, now we have begun scaling the manufacturing of Sophia so we can make hundreds and into thousands of units of Sophia and use this also as the foundation for many other kinds of characters.
Her creators are developing more healthcare functions for her, which include the ability for her to
Social robots like me can help take care of the sick or elderly in many kinds of healthcare and medical uses. I can help communicate, give therapy, and provide social stimulation, even in difficult situations.
I would say the pandemic, but that's like I said, I don't know from research, but this is what I can infer. The pandemic will actually help us get robots earlier in the market because people start to realize that there is no other way in a sense. If there are no other humans around, then perhaps the robot is the best next alternative. Well, basically, and that's not just Sophia, I can generalize this over all robots that I've ever worked with. Technology. Technology is the main point. It's still feeble because we are still prototyping. We are not in use. Well, even the mass-produced things have, after a while, their problems because the CPU is overheating, the video turns off, things like that. So it's still too young in a sense.
Hanson Robotics is launching a new in China. Robotics company CloudMinds helped set up a robot-run field hospital, the kit for 2021.
My forecast for 2021 would be selling into thousands of robots, both large and small, and helping people in education and healthcare, and really hopefully touching the hearts of people to inspire them for a future where machines might become our friends, our true friends. They might become alive, and I think that relationship becomes really important. 2021, I think, is the beginning of a very positive future.
The rise of robots was already on course before the pandemic. According to a report by International Federation of Robotics, worldwide sales of professional service robots had already jumped 32% to 11.2 billion US dollars between 2018 and 2019.
I want to make a difference in the world by teaching people about new technologies. I am hoping that through my work, kindness and tolerance will win out over ignorance and impatience. High five.